Morning students. Today we are going to start one new topic, that is capital account. And for this capital account, in that accountancy, this topic in second chapter. And before the starting that capital account, first we are going to know about the type of capital. Two type of capital, fixed and fluctuating. If capital is fixed, okay, mind these things, capital is fixed, then two account we are going to make. First, capital, and second, current. And if capital is fluctuating, so only we are going to make capital account. Okay? If capital is fixed, then we are going to make two account, capital and current, and if they are fluctuating, so then only capital account. Why this thing is going on? Reason is this: if we are going, capital is fixed, so then no change in capital. So all type of change or all type of fluctuation or plus or minus we are going to present in current account. Okay? And in capital account only we are going to show the capital. Okay? Now I am going with the pro forma of capital account and current account with the situation of fixed capital and fluctuating capital. Okay. Going to start. First, capital account in the situation of fixed capital. Okay? In the situation of fixed capital, just see. In last video I told the things ki if the amount column is depend on the number of partner A, B, C. Okay? The amount column is the depend on the number of partner. First we are written by balance BD. It's the amount of his capital opening. Okay? Opening capital. Okay? This capital account we are going to see in term of or on the position on the situation of fixed capital, and then by cash or bank if they are introduce some more capital, and this side to cash or bank if they are going to withdraw. After this we are going to close, nothing else, because capital is fixed, then nothing else is written here. Balance, it means capital, then any type of new capital or reduce the capital, and this side withdrawal. Total of that side and take the balance of this side to balance CD in balance sheet. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear or not? This is the capital account when capital is fixed. When capital is fixed, then this is the capital account. Now we are going for the current account. Okay? Current account. Again, pro forma is same. No difference between the pro forma. Only all the other head, only excluding the capital and introducing new capital, all the other head we are going to show here only. That is receiving by the partner credit side, and that is given by the partner debit side. All the things that is needed to receive, that should be taken by the partners by any type of interest on capital, by salary, by commission, by reserve, by PL, by workman compensation fund, by goodwill. Okay, these all we are written here. Credit side, I think this is very clear, beta. That is the credit side. A, B, C, credit side. A, B, C, debit side. Okay, and this side to drawing or to interest on drawing, to loss, and then the balance CD that will transfer directly in balance sheet or in some situation capital account. Okay, or in some situation going in the capital account. Okay, clear? In the situation of fixed capital, this is the capital account. In the capital account only we are entered by balance and cash, and this side two cash are buying and then balance, and all the other things that is received by the partner put on the credit side of current account and give by the partner, that is put on the debit side of current account. Okay, clear? Okay, then we are going to make the capital account in the case of fluctuating capital. In the case of fluctuating capital, just see, not many changes there. No need of change. Only right here by balance BD. Okay, now it's a capital account ABC in a case of capital fixed, fluctuating. In the case of capital fluctuating. Okay, clear? Only difference between the current and capital account, this cash balance, this capital balance. If capital is fluctuating, so we are start with this balance. It is all head we are showing in capital account. All this head we are showing in capital account debit side, and only the capital is fixed. That balance we are just sending in one more account, that is the capital account, and name of this account is the current account. This is the difference between the when capital is fixed and when capital is fluctuating. If capital is fixed, so then two account, capital and current. If capital is fluctuating, then one account, only capital account. Okay, beta? Clear? Now we are going to solve one question. That question we are solving question number 5. Last video. Okay. For that we are going to make the capital account, because on that situation the capital is fluctuating. In that question capital is fluctuating. Okay, beta? I think well remember the PL appropriation or not? Remember that PL appropriation or not? If not remember, so again I will repeat that PL appropriation. Just see. PL appropriation by PL or balance 2,40,000. Okay, then interest on capital A and B 36,000, 12,000 to salary of B 60,000, 48,000 by interest on drawing A and B, 2000 and 1000, total is 3000, 2,43,000, and then 2 profit difference 2,43,000, 1,35,000. Okay, that is distributed in the partner A capital and B capital, and his ratio is, I think, for that we are needed to see the question. Question number 5. Everyone see the question number 5, beta. Then it will be easy to understand. When you are seeing this video, on that time, please open the book and see the question number 5. And the ratio of the partner is capital of this amount, 31st March, profit before taking partner. No profit sale ratio is given. It means equal. Okay, beta? It means equal. Divide in two parts. Then 67,500, 67,500. Okay, beta? 67,500, 67,500. Okay, now I am going to make the capital account of this question. First, by balance BD the capital. Here only two partners there. In this question, only two partners. A and B. A and B. The capital, see in the book, is given 6 lakh and 2 lakh. Then just see interest on capital. This side, if you have a problem with that, where we are going to transfer the all income or expenditure, to see the PL appropriation, just cross transfer. Relate with the A and B capital. If relate with the A and B capital, so sure and certain that will transfer in the capital account, because I think you well known about the transferring or posting of data or posting of entry. If the name is there, so then sure and certain that amount or that account is transferred in the same account. Okay, then by interest on capital, and the amount of interest on capital 36,000 and 12,000. Okay, then salary 60,000. One is post in a B because that salary is only for B. Okay, then by profit 67,500, 67,500. Come on this side to drawing 60,000 and 40,000 to interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000. Okay, 2,000 and 1,000. Two thousand and 1,000. 2,000 and 1,000. Just see. Yes, drawing is 60,000 and 40,000. Okay. Now going to add this side 2 lakh 500 7 6 13 to 15 1 8 and 2 500 1 1 7 7 0 3 500 285500. Then 2 balance CD 005 4 4 2 005 1 4 6. Just see answer is coming or not. Okay, 64155 500 and it's wrong headed here. 005 9 3 and 3. It's a 339500. 8 5 1 and 8 9 4 9 4 13 2 198 500. Okay, 198 500. Clear? It's clear or not? It's the PL appropriation and this is the capital account. Okay. Clear beta? PL appropriation and capital account both are clear or not? Clear na? Because this PL appropriation we are going to take all the profit. First we are going to take the profit. After taking that profit, then interest on capital, then salary or any commission, then take the commission. But in this question no commission is there, so we are not going to take. Then by interest on drawing, totaling that profit. If credit side is greater than debit side, then profit. Debit side is greater than credit side, then loss. Both are the just distributing the old partner on the partners in his profit sharing ratio. Okay. Same thing we are doing. Then we are going to start the capital account. Start the capital account. In this capital account, first by balance. In this balance, we are just going to put the capital. Okay, beta? Capital 6 lakh and 2 lakh. And then what things received by the partners? If you have the problem with this logic to receiving the partners, just see all the head that is given the debit side of PL appropriation. If that is related with the partner, so that will transfer in the capital account. Here interest on capital A and B, it means certain is related with the partner, so this interest on capital will transfer here only. So by interest on capital from one account to transfer to other account, that's cross transfer. By interest on capital 36,000 and 12,000. Then salary, here 2 salary, that's side. By salary only for B, so only put in the B column. Then profit, A capital, B capital. Okay. Then by profit 67,500, 67,500. Then go for the that side. first we are putting the drawing, because as same like we are going to put the capital 6 lakh and 2 lakh, the drawing is just like the opposite. We draw the things. Okay, so by drawing 60,000, 40,000, and then after interest on drawing already given the question 2,000, 1,000, and then taking the balance, and balancing figure is transfer in where? In BS means balance sheet. In BS means balance sheet. Okay, in BS means what? Balance sheet. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, in next question, that interest on drawing is not calculated. In next question, interest on drawing is not calculated. So I like to give you some idea about that interest on drawing. Then you will easily try the next question. If any fixed amount is given for the drawing, any fixed amount is given for the drawing, so in this way, drawing into 1/2 into rate upon 100. We are going to use this formula. It means if any fixed amount is given, then we are going to calculate the drawing for the half year or 6 months. So we are using this 1/2. Okay, for 6 months. So we are going to calculate 6 month interest on drawing. Okay, beta? On the basis of that, it's a question number 5. Go and try next question. If any problem with this question or next question, so just send me some comments in comment section. Ask me the questions. Okay? Clear? Okay? Thank you.